Hey, Michael Church, Crawl Space Ninja. Are you thinking about finishing your basement? I've got a basement finishing tip in regards to your flooring in the basement. Stay tuned. If you're new to Crawl Space Ninja and Basement Waterproofing Ninja, we talk about everything related to basements, attics, insulation, air sealing, ductwork, crawl space encapsulation, indoor air quality. So I hope you'll subscribe to our channel and ring that notifications bell. One of the biggest things we find whenever we do basement waterproofing is that a lot of homeowners don't put a whole lot of thought into what to do about their flooring. Whether you're on a slab house or a basement, obviously you're on concrete. Man, that concrete can be cold, can it? I mean, you know, even putting carpet down over concrete it's a great thermal barrier between your feet and the cold concrete floor, but still it lacks some waterproofing measures that we like to tell people about. So one of the things I want you to look into is a product called DMX One Step. You can get it at Lowe's and Home Depot. I'm gonna put a link down below for you to check it out. If you're gonna put down laminate flooring or carpet, this is a great product to put down first. Not only does it insulate the floor, but it also waterproofs the floor. Now think about this for a second. Your slab, all right, if you got a home that's older or a brand new house, chances are it's already settled and cracked. And all of those cracks in the slab can allow moisture to travel up through them. So if you put some kind of wood or laminate or even carpet, that moisture is just absorbing through the slab and building up underneath your floor covering and can create a humidity problem, which obviously can lead to dampness and eventually mold. So one of the things I want you to think about is don't just, put down a really nice floor covering. I'd like for you to insulate that floor as well as waterproof it. That DMX One Step is able to create not only a thermal barrier, but a waterproofing barrier between your floor coverings and the basement. One of the other things, if you don't have an interior waterproofing system in your basement, make sure that you're not taking on any flooding before you finish the basement, or you're gonna have to rip all of that stuff out and put it back in later. So I hope that helps you with that basement finishing tip. Look at the floor, install some waterproofing on the floor. Check out that DMX product. I'm gonna put it down below. And my name is Michael Church. If you have done anything to your basement floors to insulate them or waterproof them, we hope you'll mention that in the comments below. You can also use foam board and different things like that, but this particular product is designed for insulating and waterproofing. Hope you make it a happy and blessed day, and we'll see you later.